Welcome to 360-degree Data Podcast, where we explore the future of AI, data, machine learning in action. Today, we are diving into something every AI engineer and tech enthusiast needs to know: the AI stack of 2026. What does the future AI infrastructure look like? And how are companies building systems that are faster, safer, and smarter? Let's unpack it. If you've been following AI development over the last few years, you know that the focus has been heavily on large language models, LLMs like GPT, Claude, and Gemini. And frameworks like LangChain made orchestrating them easy. But here's the thing: by 2026, LLMs are just one layer in a much bigger picture. The modern AI stack is about orchestration, memory, monitoring, and governance. It's not enough to just call a model. You need systems that manage the flow of information between multiple models, handle long-term memory, maintain context across sessions, and ensure safe and compliant outputs. In other words, the AI stack is moving from just models to systems thinking. So, what exactly does the AI stack of 2026 look like? Here's a simplified breakdown. Number one, orchestration layer. This is the brain behind the brain. It manages multiple agents and models, deciding which one to call, in what order, and under which conditions. Think of it as the conductor of an AI symphony. And secondly, memory layer. No more short-term context limits. Systems now store structured, queryable memory that lets AI remember facts, past conversations, and user preferences across months or years. And thirdly, telemetry and monitoring layer. Observability isn't optional anymore. Teams monitor latency, token usage, model performance, and safety metrics in real time. Think of it like Prometheus for AI. And fourthly, guardrails and governance layer. Regulatory and ethical complaints are baked in. You have content filters, bias monitors, and human-in-the-loop review mechanisms as standard. And fifthly, data integration layer. AI doesn't work in isolation. APIs, knowledge bases, BigQuery datasets, CRMs, and internal data warehouses plug directly into this stack. No more manual ETL pipelines just to feed your model. Why is this happening? Simply put, AI is moving from experiments to mission-critical applications. Companies are no longer just testing chatbots or analytics agents. They are deploying AI in finance, healthcare, logistics, and customer service at scale. Scaling requires more than a bigger model. It requires reliability, efficiency, and safety. Multi-agent orchestration handles complexity. Telemetry provides accountability. And memory layers give models continuity. So users feel like they are interacting with a system that truly understands them. Let's make this concrete. Imagine a financial advisory AI in 2026. It's not just answering questions about market trends. The orchestration layer decides whether to consult a market prediction model or a customer profile model. Memory layer recalls your portfolio preferences and prior advice. Telemetry tracks accuracy and latency to alert human supervisors if thresholds are exceeded. Guardrails block risky suggestions and ensure compliance with regulations. Data integration pulls real-time stock, economic, and portfolio data. This is in sci-fi. Companies like Google, Microsoft, and Anthropic are already designing stacks like this, and startups are following suit. AI is becoming infrastructure, not just an app. So in 2026, the AI stack isn't just about the model. It's about systems, memory, monitoring, and governance. For tech teams, this means building for reliability and safety, not just model accuracy. And for businesses, it means AI becomes a strategic asset, scalable, auditable, and integrated into real workflows. Thanks for tuning into the 360-degree Data Podcast. If you found this episode useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Drop a comment with the AI stack you're experimenting with within your company, and I will cover some real-world examples in the next episode.